Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So I'm here again with the new video, and first of all to congratulations to all of you who have received their offer letter from L&T, and I have got a lots of question through the comments, so I have written all the question and all your doubts related to results of L&T. Okay, for that results will be declared branch wise or not, like this. So I have put it around 10 question, so I will answer all the question in this video, so watch this video till end. Okay, and if you have not subscribed it, then subscribe the channel. I will update you all the information. I also updated you in community post previously also, so if you have not subscribed it, then subscribe, because I will also update when complete result will be out for all the branches, then also I will update you. So subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubts, because in comment box there are lots of comments, so I'm not able to reply in comments as of now, so you can ask me on my Instagram. Okay, so I will accept your request, then message you. So just follow me on Instagram and message me. I will tell you all the your doubts and solve your doubts. Okay, I will also pin the Instagram link of my profile in the comment box. Okay, so you can go here, and also I will put it in description box, so from there also you can get the link. Okay, so let's see the first question. Okay, so about the first question, that what is mentioned in the mail. So in this mail who have received the offer letter, you can see I will give you the brief that what is mentioned. So the reporting date is 8th October till 4 p.m. Okay, which will be in Chennai. Okay, and then on 9th of October there will be a document verification and ID card distribution will be there on 9th of October, and 10th and 11th of October it will be a orientation for all of branches at the same point. Okay, at the same place, which will be Chennai. And after 11th and 12th, okay, on 11th and 12th you will be sended, you have to reach on your IC, which will be provided by L&T. That there are two IC, one was at Mumbai and one was at Faridabad. Okay, so these two IC you have to report for their IC orientation. Okay, so this is a first question. Okay, and then now for second question, when the all results will be declared. Okay, so before this question I have to discuss another question, because when I discuss all the question, then you will get the clear answer of this question. So the next question is about the results are out for the for what branches. Okay, so for this question also the complete answer is not, because the results are not declared by the branches for specific branches. Okay, the results are declared by the IC, not by the specific, not for the specific branches. Okay, so for next question, results are out for which branches. Okay, so for this I want to tell you that for some branches, for every branches some of people get their interview results. Okay, and there is no any branch for which the every candidate get their results. Okay, so for some branches results are declared, for some the results are declared on the basis of IC. Okay, so in which on that IC the number of people who have their interviewed, they get results. Okay, not for specific branches. So next question is about, is the results are out for branches wise. So I already tell you that results are not declared by branch wise, it is declared by as per the IC. Okay, and as of now I will also tell you for which IC results are declared or not, and how you can see what is your IC. So okay, so how can you find what is your IC, that will also I will tell you at the end. Okay, so watch this video. For which branch results are out. So I already told you that results are not out by the branches through the branch wise. Okay, then for which IC results are out. Okay, there are lots of ICs, everyone. If and you don't know what is IC, so IC means is independent company. Okay, so for L&T there are many ICs, many independent companies. Okay, and the results are declared by ICs. Okay, and as of now for only for L&T construction infrastructure. Okay, L&T construction infrastructure, only for L&T construction infrastructure results are out. Okay, only for this IC, not other than this IC. Okay, so this is a final. If your interview is taken by this IC, then you can check. Otherwise, I will also tell you that how you can find your IC. The next question is total how many percentage of people received their results. Okay, so for this also I will show you the poll at the last, but as of now I will tell you that if the total number of people have given their interview around 100%, if we assume, then only 5% people have got their results, less than 5%, not equal to 5%. Okay, so results will be declared, you have to just wait. The next question, in which order males are receiving. Everyone is asking that in which order males are receiving, that through the alphabetical or through the branch wise or through the IC wise. For this also I already tell you that for the IC specific results are declared, because the ICs are under the corporate. Okay, and the corporates are declared for their ICs that how many candidates are selected for the after the interview. Okay, and they just send the selection mail. Okay, in one IC there are various branches applicable. Okay, so that's why number of people are receiving the selection mail through the different branches also. The next question is about will they send the rejection mail. So clear cut answer for this question is not. Okay, no, they will not send any rejection mail at any point of time. Okay, after 1 month also they will not reject, they will not send you the rejection mail. Okay, I will update you when the complete procedure will be over, then I will update you. So for this you have to subscribe the channel and be in channel. Then the last question is about how to see my IC. Okay, so to find your IC, you have to go your mail, you have to went to your mail from which you have received like interview mail, from which IC you have received interview mail. Then just watch from which you received the mail and check at the end of the mail this. Like for this it is INTECC, then just google this IC and search like this IC in L&T is. Okay, you will get your answer and find your IC from this trick. Okay, and this is the number of people who got their mail from different branches, you can see here. Okay, and then last thing about that, when we can expect our results. Okay, final date for which we can expect our results. So the final date is also not declared but from now you can expect more than 2 to 3 days. Okay, from now at least 2 to 3 days you can receive your results. So this is a final video, I hope you all will understand. Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So I am here again with the new update that L&T results are out. So these are the screenshot because result is recently out around 4 PM. Okay, so within 2 to 3 minutes ago I think. So you can see the screenshot that in this type of mail everyone received. Okay, in which this is mentioned that the greeting from Larsen and Toubro Construction, and mainly the people who are receiving is from a single branch for now. So I will tell you the branch also, in which branch the people are getting. You can see this is from transportation infrastructure. Okay, and the joining date, about the date you can see that 8 October 4 PM is the onboarding and reporting time in Chennai. Okay, 9th October will be document verification. Okay, and 11th and 12th will be common orientation. Okay, so these are the complete detail about the results, because the complete results is out and everyone is receiving the mail. So I request you all to please check your mailbox and also spam box also, so that you can check whether you receive the mail or not. Okay, and especially for electrical. Okay, electrical branch candidates are getting their mail, because lots of candidates get their mail, but they all are from electrical, okay, electrical and EEE branch. So please check your mail and keep checking. If you receive the mail, then please drop the comment and tell about the dates, and at least drop a heart in comments. Okay, thank you all. I hope you will understand.